Expressing admiration. The power of be a fan of. Hello, English learners. In this video, we're going to discuss an engaging and common way to express our likes or admiration in English. We'll focus on the phrase, be a fan of. To be a fan of something or someone means that you enjoy it or admire it a lot. This phrase is often used when talking about music, sports teams, movies, actors, books, and hobbies, but it can be used for a wide range of topics. When using this phrase, the structure is simple. The subject, the phrase, am, is, are a fan of, followed by the object of admiration. Let's see some examples. I am a fan of jazz music. She is a fan of the New York Yankees. We are fans of Marvel movies. Notice that the phrase changes based on the subject. If you're talking about yourself, you would say, I am a fan of. If you're talking about someone else, you might say, she is a fan of, or he is a fan of. When speaking about multiple people, you would say, we are fans of, or they are fans of. If you want to express that you don't like something, you can simply add not before a fan of. Here are some examples. I'm not a fan of spicy food. He's not a fan of horror movies. It's a polite and gentle way to express dislike or indifference towards something. Now, let's put this into practice. Think about your favorite music, sports team, movie, actor, book, or hobby. How would you use be a fan of to express your admiration for it? For example, I am a fan of cooking Italian dishes. They are fans of hiking in the mountains. The more you use this phrase, the more comfortable you will become with it. And that wraps up our lesson on the phrase, be a fan of. Use this handy phrase to express your likes and admiration in everyday conversation, and you'll sound more natural in no time. Remember, practice is key. So try to use this phrase when you speak or write in English. As always, thank you for watching and happy English learning.